Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service.
This is our 2019 personal injury payout guide for chest personal injury compensation and how much compensation you may be entitled to. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Chest injuries have the potential to impact a victim's life dramatically. In this video, we're going to take a look at a case study where a gentleman who was in his late 50s suffered chest injuries consisting of a sternum fracture following a road traffic accident. In this particular case, whilst the other driver was to blame, they were uninsured and sadly died as a result of the collision. This may seem like the odds would be stacked against the claimant. However, I'm pleased to inform you that he received a compensation payout of £300,000. This figure was calculated by taking the man's significant and numerous injuries into account, as well as the financial impact that the accident had, as he was now unable to work. I'm going to take a look at how much you may be entitled to for chest injuries. Now, these figures are for the injuries alone and do not include any other amounts which could form part of your compensation sum, like loss of earnings or expenses. Let's take a look at our table of injury compensation for chest.
So in front of us we have the table for chest injury compensation amounts. For the top category, this is the worst type of case. There will be a total removal of one lung and/or serious heart damage with serious and prolonged pain and suffering and permanent significant scarring. You could expect to receive anything from £80,250 all the way up to £119,650. For a traumatic injury to the chest, lungs, and/or heart causing permanent damage, impairment of function, physical disability and reduction of life expectancy, you could expect to receive anything from £52,390 all the way up to £80,250. For damage to the chest and lungs causing some continuing disability, you could expect to receive anything from £24,950 all the way up to £43,710. Then for a relatively simple injury such as a single penetrating wound causing some permanent damage to tissue but with no significant long-term effect on lung function, you could expect to receive anything from £10,040 all the way up to £14,320. Then finally, for toxic fume/smoke inhalation leaving some residual damage not serious enough to interfere permanently with lung function, you could expect to receive anything from £4,240 all the way up to £10,040.
I'd like to once again reiterate that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. And in order to get a fuller idea of just how much you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be able to use our personal injury compensation calculator, which consists of a number of different injury types, like our soft tissue injury compensation calculator and our neck injury compensation calculator, to name just two, and answer any questions you may have, like what is the average compensation for broken ribs? Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. What this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
The same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.